Greetings for the day on the dog. All about dog. All about dog. Today we'll discuss. The dogs are of Canis familiaris family and are similar to Canis lupus familiaris. Is a domesticated descendant of the wolf, also called domestic dog. It is derived from the extinct Pleistocene wolf. Derived means it is descendant of that wolf family, and the modern wolf is the dog's nearest living relative. So the dog is the nearest living relative of wolf family. Dogs were the first species to be domesticated by hunter-gatherers over 15,000 years ago, before the development of agriculture. Due to the long association with humans, dogs have expanded to a large number of domestic individuals and gained the ability to thrive on a starch-rich diet that would be inadequate for canids. Canids means they are similar to dogs only, but their tails are not standing like this. Dog tails are flat. So canids are those creatures, animals. So the dog has been selectively bred for millennials is thousands of years. For various behaviors like sensory capability, physical attributes, dog breeds vary widely in shape, size, and color. They perform many activities, roles for humans such as hunting, herding, pulling loads, protection, assisting police and military companionship, therapy, aiding disabled people. For this reason, also dogs are used. Dogs are become uniquely adapted to human behavior, and human canny bond has been a topic of frequent study because the influence on human society has given them the name man's best friend. So this is the dog, all about dog. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.